Now, we are very happy to have cooperated so many years with our partners in China. When it was in the beginning, we just sent a box of tulip bulbs to China and they were grown in the Taihang Mountains. Soon that developed rather well and we could make a very nice market in China for all kinds of flower bulbs. That's true that we see many good developments in China. For example, like the park planting and like the cities, how they are decorated in China, and on the highways, if you go from Hangzhou to Shanghai on the highway, it's just like driving through a park. And we see every day there are new business chances and we have the good cooperation. So we are very positive about the future in China.